1. Answer. AI can revolutionize the transportation industry by powering autonomous vehicles. These AI-driven vehicles have the potential to make roads safer and reduce traffic accidents. 2. Location in document. The information can be found in the section titled The Promising Future of Artificial Intelligence. The specific details about AI's impact on the transportation industry are mentioned in the paragraph that begins with In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostics. 1. Answer. AI can 1. Answer. The document does not provide specific challenges that AI developers face when attempting to create. One. Answer. AI can be used responsibly while ensuring it benefits society as a whole by addressing the ethical challenges it presents. Answer. Accountability is a key ethical challenge in AI because as AI systems become more autonomous, it becomes difficult to determine who is responsible when these systems fail or make decisions that One. Answer. The document suggests investing in education and workforce development to prevent widespread job displacement due to AI. Governments, educational institutions, and private companies should collaborate to develop training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed for AI-related jobs. Policies should